Good morning. I spotted extra size cucumber. It was hidden right here. Boom. Pretty big one, overgrown. A couple more over here. One more over there. It's my palm tree. Prospering. Some salads. Some poor boys tomatoes. And my basil. Update about my gardening. Ir va rūgštynių turiu belekiek. Visiems vėl geros dienos, savaitgalis. Visi į daržus. Все, iki.